What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We are officially in October. October is my favorite month, not only because it's my birth month, but I love pumpkin flavored everything season. Today we are making these simple but delicious pumpkin energy balls. You will need 1.5 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of soaked dates, 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and our secret ingredient, pumpkin pie spice. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of that and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Blend this all together in your food processor or until your batter looks like this. Using clean hands, roll a spoonful of dough into little balls. Once all of your batter is rolled up, place these in the fridge for about an hour or until they start to harden. Joe and I keep these in the fridge and snack on them all day. They're so perfect for when you're cooking dinner, but like you're starving right now. I get really hangry, so I just go in the fridge and eat 2 or 3 to satisfy me until dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be making another pumpkin recipe next week, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. I love y'all, and I'll see you next week.